Shapes on the train, come along and play. We'll learn new shapes on a happy day. Circle, circle, round and bright. Rolls and rolls, what a lovely sight. Square, square, four sides neat. Strong and steady, isn't that sweet? Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. A mountain shape for you and me. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Looks like a door, let's peek inside. Star, star, shiny and bright. Sparkles like the sky at night. Oval, oval, smooth and fine. Like an egg in a pretty line. Heart, heart, full of cheer. Full of love for everyone here. Now you know your shapes today. Hip, hip, hooray, let's shout hooray. Now you know your shapes today. Hip, hip, hooray, let's shout hooray.